In security operations, every second counts. When an incident is unfolding, you don't have time to deep dive with your documentation. You shouldn't have to decode a product feature list just to find a single step. Nor should you have to navigate endless structural layers just to get an answer. Welcome to the new Google SecOps documentation. We've rebuilt the experience around how you actually work, removing the silos and guesswork, while mapping our content directly to the Google SecOps lifecycle. Collect, detect, investigate, respond, and manage and monitor. We're refining our vast documentation into direct, task-based solutions and use cases. Whether you need to investigate an alert or hunt for a threat, you'll find exactly what you need in seconds. We've straightened the path to ensure that from search to solution, you are never more than 3 clicks away. We've streamlined how you access information, separating platform specifications from actionable guidance. Our new tabbed navigation items let you jump straight to guides for hands-on tasks or reference for data schemas and APIs. And for extra support, our embedded AI assistant is right there to streamline your journey to the correct solution. This is a unified platform identity designed with your operational excellence in mind. Fewer clicks, fewer distractions. The exact knowledge you need, exactly when you need it. Google Security Operations Documentation. Less searching, more SecOps.